You are going to love this easy and flavorful chopped Greek salad. It will take you less than 10 minutes to make. You're going to need a medium to large mixing bowl for all of the ingredients. First, we're going to start with 1 cucumber. I usually start with an English cucumber or a seedless cucumber. They're the ones wrapped in plastic at the grocery store, but a plain cucumber will work. And I'm going to dice my cucumber. And as you are chopping your vegetables, make sure your cucumber and the tomatoes are approximately the same size. That's my preference, at least. Cucumber, check. And then I'm going to quarter a pint of cherry tomatoes, approximately. You can use whatever ratio of cucumber to tomato you prefer. If you want more cucumber or more tomato, go with that. I'm using approximately 1 pint. Next, we have some red onion. I'm going to thinly slice this red onion, so I'm going to take half of it, and I have a smaller onion here. Cut it in half lengthwise and then thinly slice it. You can make your onion pieces as big or as small as you prefer. And if you find red onion to have a strong bite to it, once you dice the onion, you can soak it in cold water for 5-10 minutes, drain it, and then add it to your salad. I wasn't too worried, so I'm just plopping my onion right in. And then it's time for our cheese. I am going to be using half of an 8-ounce block of feta and dice it into small cubes. You can crumble it too if you prefer. And again, if you want more cheese, add more cheese. Now it's time for a super easy dressing. I'm going to drizzle it with some extra virgin olive oil. Start with a few tablespoons, and then we need some acid. So you can use either lemon juice or red wine vinegar. I typically use lemon juice, but I was feeling the red wine vinegar today. And then we need to season it with salt and pepper. You are getting some salt from the feta cheese, but our vegetables don't have any salt. So salt and pepper. Now give everything a good toss to combine everything and coat everything with the salt and pepper and the oil and the vinegar or lemon juice. And then give it a taste test. Add more salt if you need it. If it's tasting a little too acidic, you can add a little bit more olive oil. If you want more punch of the vinegar or the lemon juice, go ahead and add it. And then you can go ahead and serve it right now, but I do recommend letting it sit in the fridge for maybe a half hour. Anytime that this gets to sit will just help enhance all of those wonderful fresh flavors. Give this video a thumbs up if you would try this salad. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you guys want another easy salad, go ahead, click or tap here on screen, and I will see you guys there.